What I've done, when they said, hey, what do you do, is like I said, could I send you an email over to our website so when you got a chance you could take a look at the types of things?
Yeah, that's where I would jettison, hey, I want it to be short, because if somebody actively says, what do you do? Like, there's nothing more important than that conversation in that moment, right? I want to be short and concise and clear and skillful when I leave a voicemail. I want to be short, concise, and clear when somebody goes, I'm stepping into a meeting, right? Hey, no problem. Can I shoot you over a link to what we're doing so you can take a look when you have some time? But when somebody says, well, what do you do? I'm going to for sure go, would it help if I gave you an idea of the kinds of things that I do? And they're going to go, sure. And then I'm going to curate what I do based on a problem out there in the industry. And then I'm going to go, how are you dealing with that? If that makes sense.
It does make a lot of sense. Thank you, Matt. I needed that.
Yeah. Hey, if you like this video, I'm going to get you closing more deals. I'm going to give you my closing mini masterclass, normally $300. Click the link here or in my bio. I will pick up all the costs for you. It's on me. Click the link. Let's get you closing.